Understanding Collision Theory, a simple guide. Hello and welcome to today's learning session. Have you ever wondered how chemical reactions occur? Today, we'll unravel this mystery by exploring the collision theory. This theory is fundamental in understanding how and why certain chemical reactions take place. So, let's dive into the world of atoms and molecules and make sense of it all. Collision theory explains how chemical reactions occur and why reaction rates differ for different reactions. The main idea is quite simple. For a reaction to occur, reactant particles must collide. But not just any collision will do. These collisions must have enough energy, known as the activation energy, and the correct orientation to bring about a successful reaction. Think of it like a key not only needing to be strong enough but also correctly aligned to open a lock. The energy involved in a reaction is crucial. Molecules must have enough energy to overcome the activation energy barrier. This is like a hill they must climb for the reaction to proceed. If the particles collide with energy less than the activation energy, they simply bounce off each other, and no reaction occurs. The activation energy is like the minimum ticket price to enter a concert. If you don't have enough, you can't get in. Imagine trying to plug in a USB. It has to be the right way up to fit. Similarly, molecules must be oriented correctly when they collide. If the atoms that need to interact are not facing each other, the collision will not result in a reaction, no matter how much energy is involved. This concept of correct orientation ensures that only specific reactions occur, even if the energy conditions are met. Several factors can affect how often particles collide and, consequently, the rate of a reaction. These include 1. Concentration. More particles in a space increase the likelihood of collisions. 2. Temperature. Higher temperatures provide more energy to the particles, leading to more collisions and more energetic collisions. 3. Surface area. In solids, more exposed surface area means more available space for collisions. 4. Catalysts. Substances that can lower the activation energy, making it easier for collisions to result in a reaction. We hope this video has shed light on the fascinating world of collision theory. Remember, for a reaction to happen, particles must collide with the right energy and orientation. This theory not only explains why certain reactions occur but also gives us insights into how we can control and utilize these reactions in everyday life and industrial processes. Keep exploring and stay curious about the amazing world of chemistry. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!